All right, so there was an issue in one of the offices where a Ray-Ban frame was kind of slightly damaged. It was kind of corrected, but the reason that the damage occurred is because somebody tried to remove. You've got like a Ray-Ban sun frame, and they wanted to dot the progressive, so they wanted to remove just the one demo out of the frame in order to put a piece of tape, and then they can mark the seg height. Well, the problem is that it's a Ray-Ban with glass demo lenses. So what they did was they heated it slightly, and then they kind of pushed like that. And what it did is right here, it kind of just chewed up this edge when they were forcing it out. So what I want to do is I want to show you a really good way in the labs of what we do to actually get out these glass demos, because you will have some sunglass frames, not just Ray-Bans, that do actually have a glass demo. And if you wanted to remove it, there's two ways. Sometimes in the lab, we'll actually just take a pair of pliers and pinch it, and we'll actually shatter it out. If we think we're going to do damage to the frame, rather lose the demo lens than the frame. But I'm going to show you how I remove a glass lens out of a Ray-Ban using the heater. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to set that in there, put the heat on, and the key to this is actually warming it up quite a bit, because you actually, glasses, there's no flexibility to the material like other materials like plastic, Trivex, even high-index polycarbonate. You can kind of flex the lens a little bit. Glass is completely rigid. Now what I need is I'm going to need a cloth, because I'm going to get this so hot that the glass lens is actually going to get, it's going to burn to the touch. So what I'm going to do is, I think that's warm enough, and I'm going to, now that I've got it with that, and I'm just going to very carefully now roll that edge out. And that is hot. Okay, so now you can see we have no damage to the front of this anywhere, because what you don't want to do is you don't want to start chattering and chewing up the edge, because you're trying to push from the back end and force that through. And go ahead and warm up the left eye, and we'll do the same thing. Now again, that glass lens is hot, very, very hot. So I'm going to use that cloth to grab it and then push